1969, they had a problem with the intake manifolds cracking.
Come on, dude.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
When you shut them off, get a rush of cold air under there and they crack. Well, Chrysler's fix was to put that insulation in there and then put these plates on right here to keep the insulation in. Almost everybody back in the 70s, when it did, I'm gonna put a different manifold on or whatever, they took that shit off and threw it in the trash can.
Yeah.
I have one more set of plates for them. It's probably the only set left in existence.
Man.
But I've got another original set. I know guys have made them, but I've got an original set of Mopar plates for that intake setup. That's how much details went into this car.
Damn.
So,
how long did it take you to build it up?
well, look, like I said, I bought the car with the bodywork already done, but when I got it, they put a high-rise manifold on it and a big Holly carburetor and all that stuff. So I hunted down the right manifold, date coded correct, manifold, date coded correct, carburetor. That's an original unrestored 69 air cleaner for it. So the only thing that's not original to the car is this and that under the hood. Everything else is original to the car.
The booster. Come on.
Yeah, because it had manual.
That's what I was
drum
thinking.
brakes.
Yeah, I remember them having drums on it.
But it was a power steering car. It was a factory AC car.
Okay. Well, you got a nice one, brother.
So,
I'll tell you. Well, what's your name?
Albert.
Albert. Albert on
Nice to
Thomas.
meet you.
Thank you, sir.
So.